morning, yeah. Hey! Ugly river, but want to really see how ugly it is in a Raquel, where the pan?
Boy! Yeah, man, it look like it's an interesting place. And you know, say, and that we carry to the people, them. Anything interesting, we bring it to you. So, yeah, man, so this is where we are head right now.
Morning.
Blessings. Yeah, man, so we have to treat the people, them down here, you know. Because the people, them nice. Yeah, man, so early morning.
I like that early morning.
Yeah, man, hey, the place chilly and nice people.
I want to know if the water go cool come, you know, the fan that.
Yeah, because the place done chilly and sitting already. Watch out, I think I roast I'm going there, so. Alright, we'll pull up here now, people. Yeah, man,
Yes,
so the right Ministry of Education. Devon Pen Primary and Infant School. So we're going to take the left turn here, so.
If we are come from which direction? The right, from over the bridge.
See it, your people are driving, we are driving, you know.
Catch it there, down in there. Morning!
Blessings, mama.
Alright, you can see how early it is.
Hey, people. So we come here the first time, why we couldn't do a thing. People like dirt. So we are coming now, come see how the place stay. Yeah, man. Take it to them, we're taking it to you.
Man, we run over the chicken. Hey! Ugly river, we dead this morning, you know. We tell us it's not a normal thing, you know. And let me tell you something right here in the community at Devon Pen. Right here, so there, shell, we are going to shell it down. I covered this, you know. She hang on for munchie, you know. Tight wraps, you know. Not even close the hug body, so you know, watch here. Look here.
I ask your viewers, pray for me. I mean, well, just pray for me.
Hey, we come take munchie out of bed early, because that we say, that's how we deal with it. Munchie lead the way, because come where you come.
No, Munchie, you focus on you, you know. Like you go down there and go down.
Raquel, you coward, so you can't run down the step.
I'm not coward. You think that all that stuff you have to come back up, you know.
Hey.
And you come back quick up. You come back quick, you know. You can't talk anything, you know, Munchie. Come, you know what you
So I wonder what make them call it ugly. It ugly for true or what?
nice river. Nice river. Munchie, he's not every second, every second, because guess what? You know the real tour guy.
Hey man, don't make me drop it now.
No, look at what you know. People. Are you make you do them thing, you know, people.
Hey. Right now, you know where this name? As I walk through the valley and the shop. Yo, me see something uno. Happy come see where I go and follow it. Yeah? Yeah, because it look like cooking going under here, so. What you know? Hey! What look around? Look! Joke. Hey, I'm coming! Evidence of cooking or something.
Yeah,
look like cooking going here so recently. This nobody. Right?
Hidden treasures in Jamaica.
It's like fashion is on. Raquel! Raquel! Wind up!
You can talk, you know.
Wind up!
You can go on.
Hey, Munchin, come here. She wants to go by your back. Hey, I checked him out, you know. But look at you, Raquel, well done. Hey! Hey!
Well on, you saw your feet and you saw your feet. And you alone your feet, you see it.
realize you're not going to want to how to get to Ugly River. I soon tell you the war go on. Enough little time, you know. People don't realize there's some nice little places there in Jamaica where hide away. Can nobody not know about them places here? You understand me I say? Yes, yes. Mr. Munchie, come out of her bed. Come on. Good time, you know? Yeah, good time, you know? We're rich! We're rich from people! Yeah, the good thing about it, the stone don't slip. What happened now? You know what happened? Yeah, I'm going to water. Hey, don't get cool in the so hold on, how me move from here? No, go in like this. Nah, man. How me move? Look 1 foot here. Roll. Munch it to the right here. Yes, Father God. Alright. Water time. Say everybody say, water time. You should have known what St. Mary we come from. Boom! Yo! So Raquel, at some time in the weather pan, no matter what food time. And then when we reach Devon Pen, we take the right and the bridge. You hear that? And so we are trying to come down here now. We don't want to know last no paper.
No.
You go up that road, there's a level right there, you go like this and
Go up that road.
And after, as you go there, you go up there again, go so, then you go over there, there's a house.
So we are going to reach to go up on the farm because we have to show the people then how to go up on the farm. So how we are going to reach up there?
I'm going to jump the fence and go over and jump down. And climb up again and jump down.
Jump down from the
Jump up and
after we climb, then you have to jump over fence. Yeah, man, then you fall to one man.
then we must get on that.
Watch her, she can't go up, you know. She's stuck. She has put Munchie under pressure. Munchie can't manage. Watch her. Munchie. What? What? Munchi under pressure. Munchi under pressure. Munchi can't manage. He said, hey, she finally reached the top. She finally. On my time, I know I'm better. Be happy laughing. Cause on my time to go up. So hold on there. Nobody now wait for me. A fool gonna take me fast. So hold on. No, I stand up here. You know what was on your soldier? Great. This was a what? A real road or something? Oh, this is an all road.
Drive on this bridge and carry back home.
Okay.
Under the railroad.
Okay. So Munchin say you drive on this bridge here and drive up on the nether bridge there. So anytime you want to know where this bridge is there, you have to find the nether bridge.
Yeah.
You know that Munchin said?
And that makes sense to you?
It doesn't make sense that Munchin said.
Munchi at the floor bridge.
So guess what? People, if you want even come and do like a cooking, see there, evidence, cooking did go on. Hey, may I tell you something, you know, Raquel?
Yeah.
Where you going? I'm not done reason with you.
No man. You have to go fire that in a car. The thing's sticky, people. I don't know. Squawks to them.
A good place to do hiking.
Hiking.
Yeah, good place to do
Come here
hiking.
going off some my weight.
Yeah, man.
So talk to you.
You want oxygen? But let me tell you something though, on a serious level. Places like these needs to be highlighted. You understand what I say? And the people that belong here nice, I like it. Because this morning, Munchi just decided that she going to come help you out and she going to just sort out the things to it. Yeah man, driver just drop everything we do and just stay with it. The people them nice, the vibes nice, I love it. St.Mary, thumbs up. That me I tell you, why you think we come back here so often? Children coming like, yes, our birthplace. Yes, our band. Alright, we are going to fall. Soon come back. The place nice, God, but I'm not telling a lie. Yeah.
I don't mind if I couldn't go for the fall.
No, we are go up there, man. We don't come so far and not go up there.
Yeah.
But we don't come out nice. We can manage it. Nobody come with it. But wouldn't you say always nice?
Yes, nice youth.
No, not so.
Funny eyes them. I think look at them, bro.
Him cute, man.
So hold on. So where your wife, the way your girlfriend, you know, no, nobody will live with you. You know what happened? Not at the moment. Yeah, not at the moment.
Him nice. Hey, people,
nice,
him
man.
name driver, you know, man. The man carry
nice.
straight down in the river a while ago.
Yeah,
him and sweet Munchi. Oh,
man,
God.
them not old
Munchi,
people,
big up
man.
yourself. Hey, people. It's when you come, look for that lady here.
Yeah, man.
You can buy your refreshment, you can buy your beer, you can buy whatever it is that you need from her. Nice lady.
Nice lady.
I say driver, yeah, man. Driver! Bye!
Yeah, man. So, you what? Driver, put me to the test. Munchi say we have to go climb. So, me no want Aliberry go on like say she want to run over the thing. See her there? Yeah, man. She hold camera like say she don't know say she going to be a part of the hike team. Well, show the people them where we are start go. Oh, that's how we are go.
People talk the truth.
So, here it go now. Munchi, race we are race go by that.
Munchi done her, Munchi. Done her, Munchi.
Admit it, man. Just admit it, man. Just stop going like, you just want to show them say, Alright, so we reach Devon Pen. Watch it now, make the boy sister Devon Pen Basic School and Brain Builder Center with it. Reach for the stars. Right, this one we did.
Alright, go on, Francine. Me cover you. Me cover you up here. No, Francine, I don't know.
Come on.
Hold on.
You
You
come
care?
on and big stuff. Go down to the kind of and a drop.
Come on, let's get the thing right, man. Come on.
Wow, that easy.
Yeah, once you the man, babe. Show me how the man. Once you encourage, you're trying to.
You want me to carry the box here?
Yeah, man, can you?
Alright?
Yeah. It matches with my shirt, you know?
We have to know bad like donkey song.
No, man, you're so firm, man. Baby, yeah, you say, why? Say, yeah. Aye,
Brother, just catch right here, son. Please, answer. Shoot a little. Well on the front. People, I down that's how we are going now. We're about 3 miles from it, you know. Yeah.
OMG.
Please,
Oh my God. This pretty, me nah lie. This nice. Look at it.
But I'm coming to the next step right there, so.
Say that, man.
No, here what? Big man thing. They say for come back up there, sir. Eh? It's gonna be rough for me.
No man,
Let's
don't
tell you.
lie to you.
I know you in my body, Munchie. Are you in my body?
See that place step forward. That's where you come down easy.
No, I'm not go down there. Francine, driver. You and Francine go. No, for real, Francine. I'm not take it on. Big man thing. I can't
You
manage
can't
it.
come?
No.
What the skirt them firm you say now?
I'm not firm. I look for get back up in the stretching and things.
No, it actually no look. See there, one step there, so,
Yeah.
and 2 steps. You're not stretch.
Actually, I keep on emotional for you.
Munchie, leave me alone. Yeah.
Come on.
What I'm fire from come down. What
Come
I'm
here, hold on for the tree then.
Yeah, take off the tip of the
And
flower.
here, one less so put this so now. Put it there so. Yes.
Yeah.
And then you step.
Yeah.
Let go on into the green here. One step there so now. Step there so then you step. Where you know the firm. Yeah.
Munchie.
Alright, so here we are go there. Hold on for a piece of wood there.
Look here, it's a piece of stick.
Hold on for a piece of wood. We go church.
Alright.
So you have to go kind of sticky, right? So you have to step this up.
A few moments later.
Driver, you know? Yeah.
1 hour later.
Turn up inside.
Turn the cooking side off.
Hey!
What kind of direction?
Put it in them!
Father God. My soul magnify you, Jesus.
Hey, but it worth it in a driver. Look down there. Look there. Oh God, the place. You see?
God, that's at the fall.
No man, you really reach it. Go on.
Eventually.
The part of chicken, hold on.
Wait, hold on. Sit down. Sit down.
Francis, stop laughing now. Driver, me have come here.
God, yeah. Why? Allah, why is it done? Alright, then it's a rock climbing time. Let's do this. Hey, will you go and babysit her for me then? We soon come. What do you want? Some stuff on this? You see in a life, let me tell you something. You see when you see certain people achieve certain things in a life, don't bad mind them. When you see them do certain things and them achieve certain things and them reach certain place in a life, and then your duty to bad mind them. You know what you need to do? Work hard for where you want. Work hard for where you want to achieve. Because let me tell you something now. I want to reach the falls. And I decide to not turn back. I straight me I go. And I see where Christian life stay, you know. Sometimes I have a whole heap of trials and tribulations and crosses and some people where, you know, mash up your meds. But guess what? Ugly River teach me something today. No care how life get ugly, there's always beauty on the other side. Me I got the falls. Me soon come. Never come so far and not reaching at the fall. You see, a fall for real. Hey, this is it, man. What's going on? Let's go. Yeah. I'm going to put that touch water. See? What? Put that touch water in up here. You can't put that on here. Okay.
Drop in it, drop in it.
Yeah. You put that touch water in up. Hey! What? Stand up now. Hey! What? Alright, we're done now. Let me go now.
It's a Macario.
One day.
Seen that?
Driver!
Hey, it's the driver got it, Mister. Hey. Driver there. Driver on this too.
Raquel! Woo! Raquel! It's nice! Raquel is nice! And we say take it to them. Which part with them? When they are ugly river. I don't know why them say it's ugly. I I guess it's ugly because of the amount of experiences, the amount of journey we have to go through to reach to the falls, the beauty of it. It's a beautiful river. And guess what? More up there, you know. And where you need to know, it is situated into the community of Devon Pen. I'm already clued the directions. But if in case you don't remember, just find your way through Constant Spring. Come up Old Stony Hill. Not Old Stony Hill, Stony Hill Road. You do some again and you pass Castleton. You come round. You understand the message? When you come round, you pass over the 2 bridge. Then you're going to see a community marked Devon Pen. You're going to turn right at one bridge. And you come right up. It's a dead end. So you have to park and walk. And trust me, the journey not normal, but it's very much worth the while. Yeah. Mitchell boys here. Aliberry not there. Aliberry here. Missus. Why? Why? It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. Woo! Watch driver. Driver. Don't stop at all. My body too dainty for that, but see them here come now, I'm glad you know how long the day I wait for them. Missy! Oh, take your time! Yeah. So people, you know which part with the St.Mary, then an ugly river, look here. A be a niceness. We never go down at the fall. I'm sure I'm not listen because the water here, so I go on here to take it to them. This is your girl, the Jamaican Aliberry, Raquel Russell, over and down. Can't see Raquel no. How is she there? Oh, driver help her to come. Up there, Raquel. Up there, Raquel. Hey, go Raquel. Yeah, Raquel boy. Yeah, Aliberry did it. Go girl. We did it. Me not tell no lie. Me know why the people them call it Ugly River. You see when you're done with the river, yeah? You're ugly! You ugly? No, you never go up the river. No, Raquel! Well, people, if you have a strong heart. Yeah, man. I eat that. Yeah, man. I see the brother where I hold the camera. Yeah, man. And that big old man up there, so. Yeah, man. Yo! Yeah. Father God bless real them. People, them. Yeah, man. Yeah. Real people. It's another boom blast. Boom blast. Take it to them. Love it. Yeah, man, so I eat this and I leave. We are leave out of Devon Pen right now. Right away. River. What a time we spend on a ugly river. Yo, it's nice, I swear. Time well spent. Yeah, man. Alright. Alright, people. So forward.